Everything
You
is
know,
going
because
fine.
when you host any show, you know, you are the limelight and you get that attention, you know, that everybody is like
Yes, yes, yes.
coordinating with you, that actually this is going to happen and everybody is coordinating with you. So somewhere you get that position of a special person, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
yes.
this entire feeling, of course, we feel like we feel good, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's just start. So you can write it down. She is not joining, so we can continue. Okay.
Okay.
She is from US basically, na? So over there it might be 11 o'clock or something at
Yeah,
her
it's
place.
morning, I think now, right now.
Yeah. So something like that. So I don't know. She usually no. I think she is. I don't know exactly. So over there it's like when she joins at 2 p.m. So when she joins at that time it is something 8 or 9 o'clock at her place. So I think 6 hour difference is there.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I don't know which place she stays, but yes, 6 hour difference is there. So might be if it is 5 over here, so it would have been 11 at her place. So of course, you know, everybody sleeps. And so she is not joining right now. Usually she
Oh,
joins at 2
five.
o'clock.
Okay, 5 day, 5 hours forward she is now.
Yeah, 5 6 hour, I think, because at 2 o'clock around it's 9, I think, at her place, 9 or 8 something.
Oh, okay, okay, ma'am.
So right now it's 5, so automatically it goes 11 12, I guess.
Yes, yes, yes. Ma'am, then
So,
she would be in Australia or something then.
yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'm not sure about. Maybe I think she is in Australia or somewhere. I don't know.
Oh, okay. Am I finished writing, ma'am? Ma'am, I finished writing, ma'am.
Okay, Akshay. Now, one relation that you have to remember is this. This one. APS plus APC would give you 1, right? And MPS and MPC would also give you 1. Clear? This one. So quickly note it down. Then we will do some numericals. Okay?
Ma'am, I have to note the entire thing down, right, ma'am?
No. Just the line. MPC plus MPS equals to 1 and APC plus APS equals to 1. Right?
Okay, ma'am. I wrote it down, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's just start with the numerical. Okay. Okay. Now Akshay also write this. Can you see all this formula? MPC and APC have already written, right? So no need to write it. Others, let's write it.
Okay. Ma'am, I wrote it, ma'am.
Yes. Done, Akshay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, can you see this one? Okay, do you know what is ex ante AD? Yes?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. We wrote it, right, ma'am.
Yes, just check it. What is ex ante? The equation? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, equation is not there, I think, ma'am.
We wrote one equation of consumption function.
Ma'am,
Over
yeah, okay, yes. C is equals to C bar plus CY bar.
that you will be using for this. Ex ante means what?
Ma'am, plant
Yes.
aggregate demand.
So over here, this one, when autonomous investment is given, consumption expenditure is also given, right? And MPS is given,
Yes, ma'am.
and level of income is also given, right? So autonomous investment and consumption, they are 50, MPS is 0.2, and you have to find the ex ante AD. Can you do it? You know this formula?
Yes,
AD
ma'am, but in the
equals
formula
to
there is no.
AD equals
Okay,
to
okay, yes. C
this
plus I,
formula.
ma'am.
Yes. Okay, so let me just give you a hint for this question. It's very simple, right? Now, over here, this one. AD equals to C plus... Wait a minute. I'm doing this one. Rest you will do on your own. Okay?
Okay.
So, over here, what happened? You know that the formula AC equals to C plus I, right? Yes? But C.
Yes, ma'am.
This C is not alone C, right? Over here, the consumption is given to you, but this is the consumption expenditure. But you know, to find C also there is a formula, right? Yes. Autonomous consumption. This consumption is made from autonomous consumption plus the formula you remember, C equals to this plus BY, right?
Ma'am, where did we write that, ma'am? Oh, yes, I remember.
Consumption function. This is consumption function, na?
Yes.
Yes. So first you have to find this, right? Now this BY means what? This is equals to I, autonomous investment.
Ma'am, where are these formulas, ma'am?
This you have to relate.
Okay.
Okay. And you know, whatever formulas you are getting now, this one, just note it down. Why I am teaching you? Because this is autonomous one, so direct formulas are not given to you. So you will note it down in the formula. Just leave the page of formula. Don't write anything. Whatever formula we will be getting, right, in between, we will be, you can write it over there. Okay. So first is this. A equals to autonomous consumption plus investment, right? And so from here, what you got basically, so first formula you will write C equals to autonomous this plus BY, right? Income, and this B is MPC, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And then over here, what happens? C plus autonomous investment, right? So C plus I is already given to you. Autonomous investment is given to you, and consumption is also given to you, right? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can write C plus I, and then this one, C and I got together, right? And BY here. So C and I is A, which is 50, right? And then B is, this is MPC, right? This one is MPC. Getting the point? This B is MPC, right? So MPS is given in the question. Yes. MPS was 0.2, right? So MPC would be 1 minus 0.2, which is 0.8. So you got 0.8.
Yes,
right? And Y is already given to you income, which is 300, right? Put the formula and get the answer. So from here, you got two formula. Which two formula? First is C equals to, you will write this in your notebook, C equals to autonomous consumption plus MPC and Y, right? In bracket, you can write B equals to MPC, right? Then, and this formula, I hope you got, and then what you have to do, you have to merge them up, right? You will open the bracket. Now C and I in together, they have given you, na? That when autonomous consumption and expenditure, these together is 50, right? So that's why what you did, you bought this consumption and investment, autonomous investment together. Fine? Right? Autonomous investment and consumption expenditure, autonomous consumption expenditure, you bought it together. That means A. A is given 50, right? So instead of writing all this, what you can do, just write this. Find ex ante given like this, right? Instead of writing the entire question. Okay?
Okay.
Fine. And then, can you solve it now? So I am not showing you the solution.
See the solution, ma'am.
You want to see the solution?
Yeah, ma'am.
Write the formula and solve it on your own. Okay. Let me just write it for you. I'm just writing here, right? Aggregate demand is, what is the formula you have for aggregate demand? C plus I, right? For the C,
yes,
you will use autonomous consumption plus BY, right? Plus,
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, where is that formula, ma'am? C's formula.
This one, C plus BY?
Yes, ma'am.
Go to the concept of consumption function. Go.
Yes, ma'am. Consumption function.
This. Over here, I use this word C, right? Any variable you can use. You can use B as well. Any variable you can use. A, B, C, D. This is going to be MPC. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
Right? So I think now you can solve it. Try it. In case you didn't, then I'll show you the solution. Right? Because, if you will try it only, then you will get it. Mm-hmm.
How to solve this, ma'am?
Okay. Till where you wrote?
Ma'am, I just wrote the formula, ma'am. After that,
Hmm.
what to do, ma'am? I didn't get it,
See,
ma'am.
AD equals to, you wrote this, C plus BY in bracket
Yes,
plus
ma'am. I
I,
wrote that, ma'am.
right? I is this one,
Ma'am,
right?
yes, yes, yes.
Hmm. So over here, C plus BY, of course you cannot solve this together.
Ma'am, from where did I come, ma'am?
This is the formula, C plus I, na? C plus
Yes,
I
ma'am.
is the
Then,
formula, right? See, C plus I
ma'am,
is
then
the
where did
formula.
by come from, ma'am?
Then to find C, you are using this formula.
Oh, okay.
Getting it?
Understood, ma'am.
Because you know the
Yes,
formula
yes.
says na C equals to autonomous consumption plus
Okay,
induced.
yes. Let me.
And
I'll try now, ma'am. I'll try now.
okay, so now do one thing. In the question, they have given autonomous investment and consumption expenditure together are 50. Right? So bring autonomous consumption as this investment together. Right? Fine. And in place of that, see, you will open the bracket, right? So it will be this plus by plus I, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, if it is I, just do one thing, bring them together. Okay? Plus by, right? Now, in place of this, write 50, right? And then the other
Yes,
thing
ma'am.
that you have to do is you have to first calculate MPC because MPC is not given, right? Income is given, multiply by 300. Clear?
Ma'am, what is by, ma'am? By is it induced consumption, ma'am?
Yes. Y is income, right? This B
Yes,
is
yes.
your
Okay.
MPC, induced one.
Okay, so
Induced, the other
induced
name of
consumption is MPC, ma'am.
induced is MPC. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Akshay,
Clear,
you are
ma'am.
not audible. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Okay.
clear,
So,
ma'am.
right. Oh, what is given? MPS is given, right? You can find MPC with this formula.
Yes, ma'am. So it'll be 0.8, right, ma'am?
Yes. So over here, 0.8 it would be. So what you can do? Now I think you can solve it, right?
Yes, ma'am. Now I can solve. Ma'am, it'll be 290, ma'am.
290. Let's
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
Correct. Okay. Now over here in this question, right? An economy is in equilibrium. Okay, equilibrium we have not done. Leave it. Okay. This one. In an economy, an increase in investment by 100 crore. This is increase in, right? Do you have written the formula? No, now you have not written.
K1, right, ma'am?
No. There is one more formula. Wait. Just a minute. Wait. Okay. Akshay, also just before doing this, I'm just telling you a few formulas. Just quickly note it down. Okay. So first formula
Okay,
is
ma'am.
Y equals to, which is national income, C plus S. Right. Second one is AD equals to C plus I. Right. Third is AS equals to C plus S. Okay. Then MPC equals to delta C divided by delta Y. Okay. And APC plus APS, this you have already written, so ignore this, right? And then AS equals to C plus S. APS equals to S by Y. MPS equals to delta S by delta Y. Okay. And then MPC plus MPS equals to 1. These two you have already written. Like this formula quickly noted. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I wrote it, ma'am.
Okay. Now try doing this. Okay.
Is the answer 0.1, ma'am?
Okay. What do you got?
0.1, ma'am.
0.1? No. How you did it? First
Ma'am,
you
I
got,
did
you have to
100 by 1000, ma'am.
1000 by, why you did 100 by 1000?
Ma'am, because they said to find MPC, and MPC was delta C by delta Y, right, ma'am?
But over here, MPC was?
Oh, okay, this investment is given, ma'am. Okay, so for that
Yeah.
K formula is given.
First, you from here you will find this, right? Then you will put,
Yes, ma'am, understood.
right? So
Understood.
over here, solution, this you can find, you got K. Then you will put this formula, right?
Yes,
Hmm.
understood.
So just learn the formulas, because if you will not remember all the formulas now, automatically you will get confused. And from this, definitely you are going to get the numericals.
Yes, ma'am.
Or Akshay, what I will do now, I'll take your class tomorrow as well. We will do this in tomorrow class, and on Friday we will do national income. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So that
Ma'am,
you
but
know if
tomorrow
you,
I'm not sure, ma'am, if I'll be there, ma'am.
okay, so tomorrow, then
Yeah,
it's
because maybe
Friday.
some
So
extra
Friday I will
classes
take
or
your 2 hour
something.
class then.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Friday I'll take 2 hour class, so that 1 hour we can, because I want you to practice these questions now. Because in one go, like I want you to learn all the formulas by Friday, so that in Friday you are not seeing your formulas, you are directly doing it. Right? So 1 hour
Okay,
we will
ma'am.
practice this, and 1 hour we will do national income. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. Ma'am, I think 0.9, ma'am.
You got?
Ma'am, 0.9, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now, oh, wait a minute. Let me just insert here one more PDF. Oh, okay. I just need to see it. Hmm. Okay, this one. You have to calculate APC and APS. Okay, this is a table. Fine.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, APS is equals to S by Y, right, ma'am? So how do you find saving from this, ma'am?
You have to find APC first, because C and Y are
Okay.
given na. So first find APC,
Okay, yes,
and then you know the
yes, ma'am.
formula, right?
Yes, ma'am. And so APC will be C by Y, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, I found it, ma'am.
Okay, what you got?
Ma'am, for the ma'am, it should be like each case different, right, ma'am?
Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. So
So,
first one I got APC 1.25, ma'am.
how? How?
Ma'am,
What was
100
what
by
was the
80,
formula for
ma'am.
APC?
Oh, ma'am, 80 by 100, ma'am. C by
Yes.
Y. Okay, okay.
So it will be
Yes, ma'am. I do
0.8,
calculation, ma'am.
right?
Okay, okay. Yes,
Or
yes, 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 yes.
0.80, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Hmm.
Ma'am, I corrected it, ma'am.
Okay. Now what you are going to do? This. Quickly do it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, no, this is the same thing. Wait, don't do it. C and Y is given, so you will calculate APC and then you can calculate APS. This one. Third one.